Hello, it's Nixie on the Nixie Gray channel. Okay, I'm in my cousin's room right now, and we are gonna try out the new vacuum ponytail trick. We're pretty nervous, as we are nervous that we might pull our hair off. And we have a really strong vacuum because it's made for pet cleanup. And so this is her, and she's getting her hair. And she's gonna pull her hair back and everything. And
when I say stop talking, it hurts me to stop. Okay, so
subscribe. Please, if you like it, like it.
Wait, you gotta start from the bottom. Today my shirt. Oh, okay. Maybe I should do it. No, you can't.
Remember, you're in this icon. Okay. Change of plans. She's gonna do it instead of me. What's up? Does it hurt? Put the ponytail. See, it works. Okay, sorry about that. It's just that it flipped into the vacuum. So it flipped into the vacuum, which means we have to try it over, which isn't the best. So it's kind of scary. I can tell by her face.
Okay.
And it worked! The new ponytail trick. It does turn out messy, but we did it. So, hope you enjoyed, and remember, subscribe, and please like. Also, if you see the subscribe pop up on like the side, please, I'm a Swiftie fan, so try to subscribe to her if it pops up. So, hope you liked our ponytail vacuum trick. If you look it up, Dad doing little girl's hair, or doing ponytail with the vacuum cleaner, it shows quite a bit. And, pretty cool. Pretty cool what you can do.
She's next.
Yep. Remember, tag me, and also subscribe to the Chloe Matthews channel. So, hopefully I will be brave enough to do it since my cousin did it.
Wait, can I actually do it?
So, it's weird, but oh well. Bye! Toodles!